Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a TikTok video. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, which is typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. After reaching your profile, carefully locate the specific video you wish to remove from your collection of uploaded content. This initial step ensures you're ready to proceed with the deletion process. Now that you've found the video, tap on it to open it in full screen view. This will allow you to access its individual settings. Next, look for the three dots icon, which is usually positioned on the right side of the screen. Tapping these three dots will reveal a comprehensive menu of options specifically for that particular video. This menu holds the key to managing your content, including the option we need to remove it from your profile permanently. With the Options menu now open, scroll through the available choices until you locate the Delete icon. This icon is often represented by a trash can symbol, making it easy to identify. Once you find it, tap the Delete option to initiate the removal process. TikTok will then prompt you to confirm your decision. It's crucial to confirm, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone once completed. Be sure of your choice before proceeding. It's important to remember that deleting a video permanently removes it from your profile and TikTok servers. This means that once a video is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you are absolutely certain before proceeding. If you wish to retain a copy of your video, consider downloading it to your device before you complete the deletion process. This ensures you have a personal backup of your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.